The bumps you get after a waxing session are pretty normal and not a cause for concern at all. While they go away in a few days, waxing every month and dealing with these bumps can indeed to be a stark task. To speed up this process of healing, you can try a few home remedies to get rid of the bumps after waxing. These dye remedies combine a few ingredients from your kitchen that reduce those annoying bumping in a jiffy. Every time you get those bumps after a session, all you need to do is try the home remedy for your choice and the skin is good as new. Aloe vera for waxing balms. This remedy can be used to treat waxing bumps on body parts like the chest and legs as well as the bikini line. Aloe vera smooths inflammation and leaching. It is also moisturize and hydrate the skin. You will need an aloe vera leaf. Plank a long leaf from the aloe plant. Slice the leaf slightly and extract the gel. Transfer it onto a airtight container. Apply some of the gel on your bumps and massage in it. Leave it on the overnight. Store the remaining gel in the container in a cool place. How often you should do this? Apply this every night before going to bed.